Good day everyone, my name is John Patrick Berondo, and today I will explain the concept, nature, and the scope of criminology. And now I will tell you the 4 topics that I've watched on video. 1. The etymology of criminology or the origin. 2. The principal divisions of criminology. And 3. Is the criminology is a science? And the last is the 7 scope branches of criminology. And I will start the origin of criminology. The word criminology itself tells us that it is essentially the study of crime. Criminology is derived from the Latin term crimen, which means association, and the translated Greek logia, which denoted the study of. The origin. Criminal plus logy is equal to criminology. In 1885, Italian law professor Raffaele Garofalo coined the term criminology, or in Italian word is criminologia. And later on, French anthropologist Paul Topinard used the analogous French term criminology. Criminologist, Republic Act 6506. Any person who is graduate of the degree of criminology who has passed the examination for criminologist and is registered as such by the Board of Examiners of the Professional Regulation Commission or the PRC. In Bisaya na word, kung may eskwela kag Sokotek sa San Franz, niya imong gikuha nga course is BS Crim or the Criminology, dili pa ka legitimate nga criminology unless makapasar ka sa board exam. There are 3 principal divisions of criminology. Number 1 is ecology of crimes, and number 2 is sociology of law, and the last principal division of criminology is the penology. In this book, I read the meaning of ecology. Ecology is the study of the causes of crimes and development of criminals. And sociology. Sociology is study of the origin and development of criminal law or penal law. And last is penology, was derived from the word pena or punishment, and the logos is study. Literally means a study of punishment or penology. And our 3rd topic is criminology is a science? According to George Wilker, criminology cannot become a science because it has not yet acquired universal validity. But today, it is a science because it is applied science, social science, dynamic and nationalistic, and that's all. The scope branches of criminology. There are 7 scope branches of criminology. 1. Criminal demography. 2. Criminal epidiolomology. 3. Criminal ecology. 4. Criminal physical anthropology. 5. Criminal psychology. 6. Criminal psychiatry. And the last is number 7, the victimology. And that's all. Thank you.